Okay, here's one I think you'll like. This little gadget I found is called LevelMate PRO. It's an automatic leveling device for your trailer, your Class C, Class A, just about everything going. The only thing I think it won't apply for is something that already has a built-in leveling system. My Sunseeker had that, so this wouldn't be good for you. But let me show you how it works. First thing we do is download the app. So scan the QR code and it'll put a little app on your phone. And from there, it'll connect via Bluetooth. So let's install the unit itself. I've already installed it here, and what I've done is I've taken what I believe to be the middle of where the wheels are, all 4 wheels, which for me would be this wall right here. 2 little screws, tiny screws, super light. I installed it on that wall. I hid it out of the way so people can't see it. This side up, it's the only thing you got to worry about. You don't have to level it. You don't have to do anything. Not yet. We'll calibrate it later on. All you got to do is remember which way it's facing, whether it's front or back. There's 2 different models of these. The other one I had that I sent back took 2 AA batteries, or was it AAA? This one takes the little watch batteries, right? So I don't think it really matters. I think the only difference may be the other one. There's one that's more expensive than this one. This one's the Pro. I think the other one's called the Ultra or something like that. But anyways, so now what you do is you flip a switch on the bottom of it, which I did, and you'll hear 2 beeps. Check this out. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Listen. So you get 2 beeps. That tells you the battery's good. It's ready to go. Bluetooth is running. It's waiting for the app to connect. So what I do is I turn it on before I leave. So if I'm going out driving that day, I will turn that on. It goes for 2 beeps. So here's what the app looks like. It's a gray icon. You'll click it. Now it's going to try and find, okay, it found the LevelMate PRO connecting. Now let's just assume I'm up front in the truck, okay? I've pulled into my spot. And all I have to do now is just move around, and you will see these in live time change. You see how it says 0, 0 and it's green? Well, that tells you that from side to side I'm level. It's showing me as 5 inches down on the back, which is fine. For me, it's fine because it just ensures that my head's above my feet, and these campers actually prefer them to be a little nose high. So that's fine. What I can do now, if I want, is to go into my settings and say that this is 0. Like actually tell it that this is 0. So what that does is that calibrates it. You tell it what you prefer, and it'll do that. So the only thing you really got to watch out for is whether you want a deep beep, proximity beep, inches or centimeters, Fahrenheit, driving side of the road. So if you're over in Europe, I guess you'd put left. This is a Class B or Class C, but as you can see, there's 5 different options there. You can set your width and your length. The label, this is important, this one. My label faces front, so that's important. You can mount this thing any way you want. It's going to know what you want. Idle time till sleep. Ooh, okay. I'm going to change that because you can wake it up. Wake on motion. So if I say hours 1, there, perfect. So I said hours 1. I'm going to hit save, and you can have it in inches, half inches. Now here's the important part. Set level. So you can set the level. You can just tell it that this is level. So from that point on, it's going to guide you so that you're at this exact same setting. And that's really all there is to it. So like, now that I've got it, I didn't know I had it set at 6 hours, so I'm glad I did this video. It saves the battery. You know, it's just, you turn it on, you go and you drive. After an hour, it'll shut off, but it'll still wake up. As soon as you start the app, it'll wake up and connect. So I like that battery saver feature. And then all you do is when you pull into your spot, you move a little bit, and as you're moving, it'll show you where you are. And like I said, for the rigs without self-levelers, this is perfect. I ended up spending, I think it was a little over $100. I'll show it to you on the screen, what I paid for it and what the other possibilities are. Anyway, it's pretty cool. I like it. I'm enjoying it. I've had fun with it. It's called LevelMate PRO. Let's go get it.